Hey YouTube, what's going on? Alright, so what do you do when you need a paint booth and you don't have one? You look online and you go, hey man, look at that. I could buy a blow up one. So, and then you think, well, they make different sizes. What size do I need? Well, in the future, you may paint a truck, you may paint a car. They come in all sizes. So you need something that's going to be wide enough to spray the doors when they're open. So if you have both doors open, it needs to be pretty wide. So we're also going to be painting trucks too. So what we did was we bought the 9 by 6 by 4 meters. So if you're in the United States, that is 20 by 30 by 13 feet tall. Hey YouTube, this is Jay NT Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
And how are you doing? So, what we're gonna do, I took these out of the boxes. This is how it comes when you get it. The unit, the blower to blow fresh air through the system, and then the blower to fill it up. Now, I took these out of the boxes already because we wanted to check, make sure that they actually work, because there were some stories that they came broken. So, these work. Now we're gonna open this baby up and see what we got. So, yep, pull this thing out. What do we got? We got a bag, and then we got another bag. Here's a bag of stakes and ropes to hold it down. Oh, it looks like that's a patch kit. No, here's some, yeah, this is a patch. This is some string, some needles, in case you need to repair your tent or your booth. So we're gonna put this over here for now, for the moment. This is the flip over, lift up method. And there you have it. Now, as you all know, this will be the only time that you'll see this in this shape. Because as soon as we unravel it and open it, it will never go back to this size ever. I'll leave a link in the description as to which one we got, because they do make several. All right, so this is in a bag. So it's a bag within a bag within a bag.
And look at that. The booth is digital camera.
That's the should be the floor. So far, what I'm seeing is
Braid strap.
a strap, several straps that they used to hold this thing together one last time before you undo it, and it never goes back to the shape again. How are they going to cut these and use bungees? Where's your knife?
Not on me.
All right. Any second now. Here we go. Boom! It's like one of those toys that you put in the bathtub and it blows up into this thing because it's a sponge. All right. So, whew. Now, what you want to do is you want to look and see which is the drive-in and which is the walk-in. Okay. This is your own little building. So far, it seems pretty durable. There should be one of these over there. This has to get zipped up. This has to get zipped up. You should have one over there too. Yes. You need to flip again. All right, guys. This is the bottom. So this is the drive-in side over here. So we need that to be over there. So as usual, Jay's 50-50 is always wrong. Step one, turn it around. So, all right, T, keep going. You're doing good. Okay, YouTube, so after quite a bit of deliberation, and I'm sorry for the road noise, there is an activity down the road happening, so there's lots of traffic. But there is, after lots of deliberation and moving, our blowers are down there, and we also, T, can you hold this please? Thank you, sir. What we also did was, which is a very big help, is we added another tarp underneath. I guess the thing pulled in some rocks. We added another tarp underneath it because, like any typical tent type material, this is real flimsy, and this is a rock driveway or a stone driveway. So we added that extra protection for the tarp itself. Other than that, quality of the material is good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to blow it up, and you will see how long it takes to blow up. All right, so here we go. So we're just going to hit pause, and we'll get the tripod. Okay, so the booth is up. We have 18-mile-an-hour crosswinds, so we had to stake it down because it wants to fly away. So note to you as the user, if you get one of these, you need to do this in a not so windy day. Okay, now the other thing is
Wait a minute.
poor design. The door opens sideways instead of up. So instead of rolling up, it opens sideways. So the only thing that you can do is you need a ladder to actually zip it up once the car is in there. Not so good design. Okay, so now you can see how much room you really have. All right, so here, this is about 4 feet. That's about 3 feet right there. So this is for painting. This is the amount of space you want to have around the car, all the way around. At least 4 feet of space all the way around the car, or the best that you can get. So knowing that, that may help your decision on what size you want to get. Again, this tent here is a 20 by 30 tent, or paint booth, whatever you want to call it. All right, so we're gonna get to taping it back up, jocking it up, putting it on the blocks, taking the tires off, and we will then get back to the video. But for right now, we're gonna hit pause and we'll be back. Okay, this is the third day using this spray booth, and I gotta tell you, it works very well. Good product. There is one others that says it's made in America, but it's actually made by the same company as this. This is a Chinese one. Very disappointed because I wanted the one that was made in America. It's assembled in America. How about that? So it blows up. It takes 3 minutes to blow up. And what I highly recommend you do is when you deflate it and you're still using it, fold these in, fold them in, so the walls open out like this, and it blows up very quickly and it works great. So I'm very pleased with this. If you have a project and you need a paint booth for your car, your boat, truck, or just anything else, highly recommend this one. All right, we'll be back.